Go carry that remote for me.
No. Change it up with me. Can't change it. I wanted to wash the you say I'm not a toy. I'm not a robber. You wash what you are washing, so go and change it.
Asa, go bring that remote.
I said no. Go and change it by yourself.
This is very crazy.
I don't want peace. I want problems always.
Where my chin-chin? Where my chin-chin? What do you like say no be you are the talking? Where that chin-chin wey dey on top this table? Na you are the follow talk. Where that chin-chin dey?
That one you slap me, I make her your chin-chin.
E be like say that day wey I dey tell mommy say she go come back one day come carry your cross. E be like say you don come today. Where the chin-chin dey?
I said no be make carry your chin-chin.
Shey you don see say na red and black I dey wear today? Say this red and black dey spell danger, danger. You don't see that danger when they come, just try avoid that when they changing. You see say the changing self na red carpet be. Where you dey?
That day I know where your chin-chin.
When they I go kill you for this case. Where that changing dey?
Now leave me alone, na me where your chin-chin.
Hey, this girl dey carry me play. Asa where the changing dey?
No be me carry your chin-chin.
Asa where the changing dey?
Oh God.
Asa where the changing dey?
Now why you standing like that?
You get my meeting in the grace. Where that changing dey? Where you give the changing?
Why you chin-chin? Why you go
This girl go cry. You go die today. Now madam come this side. I don't say where the changing dey? Fatima, Asa, wetin happen? One na mama. See wahala. This girl, I insult don football. I sit down here, she follow me sit down. Carry remote give me. When senior sister dey ask small sister, when be say she for dey roll for ground sef go carry am come. By the time she's her two leg waka go bring her, she no gree.
So na chin-chin bring wahala.
I say make I go bring the remote.
You wey be the how much be the chin-chin you no give your younger sister? You be one. Why you go carry your sister chin-chin?
I don't carry her.
Na the fight every day. Na fight. Okay, today since I go stay for house every day I'm dey shake. Today na today I go. Fatima, Asaya, man I come here. Viewers, this one private now man you. Man I watch today. This one na wrestling. See Fatima, see Asa. 1, 2, 3. Oya let me wrestling.
As this one na wahala you dey fight.
Oh, one. Fatima 2. Fatima no fight again.
Wetin I do for my house?
Sister na. Sorry. You won't kill her. No. Never wake up. I just dey break them. I dey hear voice. As I dey pass, your neighbor welcome. I just dey pass. I hear sound. I say these children again. Anytime when you dey comot, na so dem dey fight. Innocent referee why e be. Now I just say man separate them.
Yes.
I ask wetin happen. Na chin-chin bring wahala. Chin-chin na him wan kill the small sister. Na separate I dey separate them. Nothing more. I say na mama no dey house. Na mama no dey house.
You separate us for
me. Wetin I just
Why you dey shout me? Party dey fight with me now. You see my mama open door.
No, me.
I get something.
No, man.
Even na referee. No matter anything, una no suppose fight. They scatter compound. Make you attack person. What am I
talk me and I'm just dey talk. She call me. She say na she be wrestling fighter. She
what were you talking about before? Forget her own.
na chin-chin we dey talk. She come show us wetin dem dey do for television. Say make we do like that. She go and stand this side. Asa stand this side. We come dey
hey.
Auntie, why you come dey lie now? Why you do this kind thing? Asa talk dey lie.
My neighbor. You dey watch fight for television, they carry teach my.
No, na as I come now, no be you dey put for your children. I see am like that. I no be me.
Na you go film, na me too fight give na.
I come see am, dem dey fight.
Hey!
Innocent referee.
Oh! If woman go outside, she dey come back and enter her house.
Don't be so welcome. Welcome.
Auntie, this thing wey you do no good. You know
No,
how people
me, I was doing nothing now. Me, I feel like I'm a mama. No, now, I'm not separate.
Fatima. Fatima. How many times I don call you so?
2 times.
Go on your knees. All of una kneel down.
No, don't do me like that. No,
So,
separate that lesson.
because I cook food give una chop am get strength. Who put that film? Who una see am?
Na she put am.
I see am for television. And you begin dey watch. From there una
Shey
comot
me I tell am say me I wan watch
Keep
story.
quiet,
And
don't
she
hear.
say
Here una like this. Una still dey talk. I no get respect. Una wan make these people talk say all this effective motherhood wey I dey preach, I no even dey sabi anything, I no train my family, I no train my children. You wey you suppose dey example, dey show example, dey coordinate your sister, na you dey engage, find time, dey find time. Una aunty cause be quiet. My neighbor, thank you. At least you do well. So come, abi you put fire, abi you comot fire. Which one will you do?
Na my children, I don't feel do that kind of
You don't put fire, you comot am.
Try, right?
You dey okay? I think we say, for this one wey we get, let the waka hand the waka, we dey go everywhere. Nobody knows tomorrow. See as I dey like this, if the waka no dey around, I only need to take care of them. How we go do? So the same thing wey I for do for person children, my neighbor. When we dey stay like neighbor, when we dey watch each other's back, this one something one bad wey wan happen to this one say no, it won't happen. No, go there, go to this other side. We dey take care of our own. We dey like sisters for this. You do well. You say you no put fire. You say you comot am. She said her referee should be a wrestling one. Now why she show us example? See you no lying now. Even if she tell una say una fight, you be small girl.
Children are my children.
You be small girl. You no good. Neighbor, no wahala now. Thank you. As you do now, me and my children, we get meeting. Thank you. Take it. You say you no put fire. You comot am. If you no come our house again, you no be better. I will slap you. Don't talk to her like that. Is she your mate? She say you fight. She say make you make noise. No be your noise attract am. I say you dey attract baba thing. You dey attract baba thing. You dey attract the one wey go put fire. You dey attract the one wey go comot fire. No wahala. My neighbor, you do well. God bless you. You say you no put fire. You comot am.
Sorry. Sorry.
Everything na.
I'm not saying wetin I dey do, wetin your children talk na true. I been dey here, dey do wrestling for them.
Ew.
Sorry. I didn't know come quick whether they for kill themselves.
Ew. Hosanna.
Sorry. I know say wetin I do no good. For now, I don't know. I don't learn my lesson. I don't know say these children no dey only do born am. Na my children too.
Even if I put to them, government go hold us. So nobody go stay for this compound.
From today, I go dey watch. We go dey watch each other back. Neighbor, beg no vex. Hope say don't forgive me. I don't forgive us. Sorry. Sorry. Thank you.
I don't blame you, my sister. Not them.
Sorry.
They go save your punishment. Thank you. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah.
Separate the children.
Oh, bye bye. Now get back.